everyone, my name is Karen and I'm the Associate Counselor here at Plexus. Welcome to the workshop on how to read your high school transcript. In this workshop, I will guide you through different things that are included in your high school transcript and how to read it. And with that said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start off with a definition of a transcript. A transcript is a document indicating the record of a student's academics at an educational institution that can be either high school or college. It has courses that they have taken and the grades they have received. Usually the courses are divided by the year or the grade that you are in. There are two types of transcripts, the official and the unofficial transcript. All the content in these transcripts remains the same. However, the unofficial transcript can usually be printed out from your laptop. The official transcript has to be printed on special watermarked paper with an official signature. Usually that official signature will be your principal. When you apply for colleges and you submit your application, you will usually receive a checklist, and some universities may require you to submit your official transcript. So that is something that you may be required to do. What is included in your transcript? These are a few points that are included in your transcript. A lot of it is personal information. For example, your name, your address, date of birth, student ID if you have one, etc. You also have your current school grade, the weighted and unweighted GPA, the classes taken and when. It is usually separated by sections. You will have the grades that you have received in each class. For the grades that you are currently taking, it will usually say something like in progress. Your disciplinary record, which is your behavioral record, standardized test scores, for example, like the SAT and the ACT scores, awards, that will be like any academic achievements that you have received, and class rank. Not all of these points are going to be included on your high school transcript. However, it is possible. Why is your transcript important? First, you needed to apply for college. As I mentioned before, once you submit your application, you're going to be given a checklist. The university is going to want you to submit your official transcript. Colleges evaluate your performance based on your transcript. For example, they might look at your improvement you have shown throughout your years at high school. I will mention more things that college admission representatives look for in the next slide. Proof of completed prerequisites. Some colleges have some prerequisites of the classes you need to take in order to be admitted into that university. For example, that college may require you to have 4 years of English and 3 years of history, or things like that, or maybe the major you have indicated in the application may require you to have some specific classes. Scholarships. Some scholarships may indicate that they need you to submit a high school transcript, either unofficial or official. So please make sure to check the application requirements. Jobs, volunteer, and internship opportunities. These opportunities may also require you to submit a high school transcript. Transfer schools. This goes for both transferring from a high school to transferring from a college. So they might require you to submit a high school transcript or a college transcript depending on what grade you are in, so you can be able to transfer schools. What do college admission representatives look for in a transcript? Submitting a high school transcript will be required as part of the admission process, as I mentioned before. It is usually required by every university. Here are some top of the things that they look for. How prepared you are for college coursework. College admission representatives usually look at your grades from 10 to 12, especially junior year, so please make sure you are prepared for that. How prepared you are for your desired major. Usually in high school, you are able to choose some electives and maybe based on your desired major. So they want to see if you have challenged yourself towards your desired major and if you are prepared to take college coursework in that major. Grade trends. By this, I mean that if you have shown any improvement throughout the years, if maybe one year was tougher than the other, maybe they require some explanation because of that and things like that. What classes you took, such as AP, IB, and honors courses. Your transcript serves as a proof that you took these courses. Pass/fail classes. This goes for mostly college courses that you have taken, but maybe sometimes in high school you also have the option of indicating a class in your transcripts as pass/fail, meaning that you won't have a grade for that class. You will either have pass or fail. Academic rigor. In your transcript, you are able to see all of the classes you took, the challenging classes that you took, and college admission representatives love looking at that. And finally, your behavioral record / disciplinary record. College admission representatives also like looking at how you have behaved throughout your years at high school. All right, we have reached the end of this workshop. Thank you everybody for sticking around. Before I leave, I would like to let you all know to please download the Plexus app. You can download our app through the App Store or Google Play. If you download it, you'll be able to receive instant notifications through my counselor. We'll also very much appreciate if you rated and reviewed our app. We very much appreciate any feedback you're able to give us. Chat with my counselor if you have any questions regarding this video, or if you would like to reach out about your journey to higher education. We're always happy to help in answering all of those questions as well. And also check out our Plexus YouTube page for more workshops. Our YouTube page is called Plexus Social Media. Thank you everybody again, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.